Greetings from the Sunshine State, where this little creature on the outside window of the 12th floor kept Aria and Citrine occupied for the afternoon. Stay tuned for more footage of my fur babies at the end of this video. Well, I've decided to pour over the second pour. I'm not that thrilled with it. I did scrape up all my paint drippings and save them for a future base, but I won't use it this time again. I pulled out some other paints I had mixed up. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but get my wrist strap out of the way here. This is a metallic black, I believe, so I don't know how that's going to work. And this is some type of, I'm not sure what it is. I had it sitting around. It's a tealish silver. This is the leftover blue that I used in the last pour. And this is the leftover burnt sienna mixed with titanium buff white, I think it's called. I mixed it up yesterday, the titanium buff white, but I didn't use it, so I decided to mix it up with a little leftover burnt sienna that I used today. And this is an olive green. It's not the same one I used today because I ran out, but there's a little bit left in there from another pour. So I used that. And then I used that blue blood that reacted with the cloud pour last time. And use that in the pour itself and not as a puddle. So we'll see what happens. So I chickened out on the black and decided to add this purple that I found on the shelf and gold flash that I found as well. So we'll see how this works out. Now I'm going to start with blue blood on the bottom. I have to get my gloves on. And now some cloud. I'm going to try that strange teal green silver, whatever it is. And maybe with that, a little bit of olive green. pretty the way it is, but there's just too much of this blah area here. So maybe I can stretch out some of these rings. I think first I'll torch it. Oh, a lot of bubbles. See all those bubbles pop? Gives it a starry look. That way. Sometimes you can try to fix one thing, but then you wreck something else. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. I wanted to get rid of that, but maybe I need it. Well, that's interesting. There's a little planet coming through in there. Don't know how that happened. Another funny shaped one there. Unless it was the paint dripping from my gloves, I don't know. We'll have to see on the video. It's still very interesting. Well, I like the way this turned out. I like it much better than that second pour I did. The one that I poured over. And I like the fact that it's framed with this green starry galaxy. Then there's some cloud effects on this side and this starry night or purplish lagoon here with the, well, if it's a starry night, there's a lost planet and some stars. Stay tuned for more of Aria and Citrine, my fur babies. Let me know what you think of this pour in the comment section below. And here's the dry result. I think I'll call this Blue Lagoon. watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.